If there is magic on this earth, it is contained in water. Water is the driving force of all nature. It is one basic element needed to sustain life on earth. We can survive up to several weeks without food, but only a few days without water. Only around 1% of the earth's water is fresh water. The rest is salty and we cannot drink it. Water pollution is the degradation of the quality of water. The most crucial question is, what causes water pollution? Water pollution occurs when harmful and toxic waste, chemicals or other particles enter water bodies such as rivers, ponds, seas, oceans, gets dissolved in them, lies suspended in the water or gets disposed on the bed. Sometimes water pollution can occur due to natural activities such as volcanic eruptions, washing down materials like silt from eroded soil and surface heating of large reservoirs. Not only that, everyday sewage and sometimes even garbage from cities are dumped into oceans, resulting in polluting the water. Water pollution is also caused by the chemicals sprayed over the crops to protect them from pathogens. It is also caused by the waste produced by the industries. The passage of hot water from industries and thermal plants into water body, which may lead to the decreasing content of the oxygen in the water. Harms of water pollution. Water pollution harms our aquatic ecosystem. Not only does this harms our aquatic ecosystem, but the pollutants also reach the groundwater, which might end up in our houses as contaminated water that we use in our daily activities including drinking. And once someone consumes this polluted water, it can lead to disease such as hepatitis that can be fatal. Also, in many poor nations, there is always an outbreak of cholera and other infections due to contaminated water. Another major problem caused by water pollution is that it kills organisms that depend on water bodies. Dead fish, crabs, birds and dolphins and many other animals often wind up on beaches killed up by pollutants, sudden change in temperature of water and also decreasing content of oxygen in their habitat. And all these factors eventually damage the ecosystem, threatening life on earth. Now we know the root cause of water pollution and the fact that it can make humans and animals so sick that it can be even fatal. The next life-saving question is, what can we do to help our ecosystem and prevent water pollution? The first and foremost thing we can do is start by saving water. Fresh and clean water is more precious than anything else today. Let us do our every bit to make sure that we aren't wasting it restlessly. Start taking shorter showers, make sure to turn off the running tap when not in use and check for any leakage, and most importantly make sure to always pick up your trash, especially at the beach and water areas. Spread awareness about it by discussing its effect with family and friends. Even the government is trying its level best to prevent water pollution by arranging dustbins to put garbage in them instead of throwing them into water bodies. Government is arranging municipal facilities to throw garbage. Also, many schemes have been established by the government to prevent water pollution. Not only is the duty of the government to decrease water pollution, there is our part too to decrease water pollution by not throwing garbage into water bodies.